As a diesel truck owner, you know the importance of maintaining your vehicle to ensure optimal performance and longevity. One critical aspect of maintenance is regularly changing your air filter. The air filter is a crucial component of your diesel engine's air intake system. Its main job is to prevent dirt, dust, and other debris from entering the engine and causing damage. Over time, the air filter becomes clogged with dirt and debris, reducing airflow to the engine, which can cause a variety of problems. Here are just a few reasons why changing your air filter is essential. Changing your air filter leads to improved fuel efficiency. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, making it work harder to pull the air in it needs to burn fuel. This extra strain on the engine can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and higher fuel costs. Also, better engine performance. A clean air filter allows more air into the engine, which leads to better combustion and improved engine performance. Your truck will run smoother, accelerate faster, and have more power. Longer engine life. A dirty air filter can cause engine damage by allowing dirt and debris to enter and damage the internal components. Regularly changing your air filter can extend the life of your engine and prevent costly repairs. Dox Diesel is a leading aftermarket provider of high-quality air filters for light-duty diesel trucks. And here's why Dox Diesel has the right filters for you. Dox Diesel filters are made from top-quality materials. Dox Diesel uses only the highest quality materials in their air filters, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. A custom fit. Each air filter is designed to fit your specific make and model of truck, ensuring a perfect fit for optimal performance. A trusted brand. Dox Diesel has a reputation for providing top-quality products and excellent customer service, making them a trusted brand among diesel truck owners. A wide selection. Dox Diesel offers a wide selection of air filters and buying options from a single filter to case quantities. Dox Diesel has air filters for your Cummins, Powerstroke, Duramax, and EcoDiesel engines. So in conclusion, changing your air filter is an essential aspect of diesel truck maintenance. It can improve fuel efficiency, engine performance, and engine life. And Dox Diesel has the right filters for your light-duty diesel truck, ensuring top-quality performance and longevity. Don't neglect your air filter. Contact Dox Diesel today to find the perfect filter for your truck.